every week it's once I keep blom ke book so that I can go and see my son. Oh, wadlala. You understand? My that is why kisa kwatela mathasana aka, because I feel like they were not on my shoes. So they didn't understand what I was going through.
You'll never know if they were influenced or what, because you don't know what you were dealing with then.
Some apologized after.
No, they could have been influenced by someone.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Because sometimes you're in a relationship with people that are enemies, and at that time, we are confused. The minute you become sober, you realize what man.
They came and apologized. You understand? They came and that is why I can say like I don't know how to explain how I know God. Go send meditate. Tell me a day, how much is it to be in hospital a day in ICU? How much is that? Happy na ke hlola patala ntlo ya ka go sentse.
You gave up cars. You gave up things for Boyo.
Happy. Banka dikoloi ke ka relaxed. Ka for manaka I was ke tla dula ka koloi e1. Lucky I was not owing the Golf 7.
Massive.
The Golf 7 next cycle. That's the only car I became left with. Banka tikwane banka ingi banka. And you know the nice part about it is that people didn't know the type of cars that I'm driving, because now I don't post my things on social media. They didn't know. So for what they took, you know, sabonal. Neki hlola patala ntlo ka go sentse. Because nekinta medication ya boy ko hopola ke lo patala medication ko pharmacy ko Sentin Mediclinic ke patala medication wa 28,900 ke teknale sleep mo. And how puts a doctor, which one is important, which one can I not buy? Doctor, all of them is important. And then babatla mshini ne wabona mshini o ana jaka wona.
Remember nane condition ya Boyo.
A day mshini o nearly 2.5 a day. For Boyo ga o sebedise a day. Guys, now skanjotaka. There is no such way. Imagine after all of that, ne? After all of that, atlokofala.
Imagine dikoloto ko morao.
Utlwa ha tlokofala ho etsalang.
Tsantshe mo boloke.
I moved from Bryanston to Four Ways. Right? This I'm only showing to motivate. It's no longer painful for me. I moved from Bryanston to Four Ways. Akufika ko Four Ways, it's a flat, ne? Sharp. Now, kyajola no, ne? Kyajola. Boy ba muntitse ko spetlele, uko high, but obviously unza ko spetlele. What I'm saying, if I'm lying, I saw on Boy's Grief. One day I'm on my way to a gig. Before that, kinali chelete hore ke patale mo ke dulang, ne? It was 200 and something thousand. Ke rata ke hona le hore ke patale mo ke dulang. Nna ko etsa tummy tuck. I have never bought myself clothes. I have never done anything for myself. This is the only gift I can give myself after all the hard work. Ka nna ke a take. Ka re ntwa ke patala. Nna ke a take nna. Because ha di fail dikoloto. Tsamaye ke take a khutla take re move re Four Ways a fitla Four Ways. Wanaka. Akule ke tsileng e yang ko gigi. Happy na he. I went to all the gigs that I missed that time. People didn't know because I couldn't explain. I'm on my way to a gig. Katlung Kisile Bongiwe, the best name I've ever had in my life. Kisile Bongiwe, Kisile Nomtandazo. One of the best twasas I'll forever be thankful to have in my life. She was very important.
Yeah, that one fought for you.
Yeah, but in a twasanan that time, Markimtibale twasan that time Nasadula Linnaker. Ili Bongiwe wako omong hapam khutwani. Now, your communication with me, I can't communicate phone la nka di private number. Who unblock who can I condition yang one. And ngwana o ka tlung ka nna bua le batho ba ka tlung.
Assistance is conditional. It's on terms and conditions.
Yes. Terms and conditions come on now. Katula happy. Ata ka re fok ka dropa phone ka etsa show ngwana ka jiga tseleng ka fitla ka isa ngwana sepetlele
Invoice a cancel.
no luckily go gigging ela ba kopa ke dlale ka one wa bona my driver Junior le Msanki those guys always had my back a jiga ka fitla ka isa ngwana sepetlele nomthandaza tsa re baba tsamalo sebetsa class le ke tla go la ngwana sepetlele my twasa a re tsama o ye mosebetsing ke tla go bana le ngwana sepetlele a go bala le ngwana nna ka tsama ka lo sebetsa nomthandaza a go bala le ngwana ka thula a tsama ka lo sebetsa ha boy a tlhokafala let me tell you story boy a tlhokafala boy ha tlhokafala you know when I used to talk about these things ke jetsa pelo ne ke lla no je masepa nywana ntho tse ka fela ke llela
Jonna.
happy
Keso.
boy a tlhokofala ke na le another apartment right then ke na le mo ke dulang le bana teng that other apartment I told myself you know what I am not going to date in front of my kids I'm not going to date in front of Liana I'm not going to date in front of boy this apartment ke mo ke tla jollang teng you understand if my partner wants to see mutlamponela in this apartment I'm not introducing my kids to anybody and ha ke ngwana go ke tlo jolla strate
Romela tebo message.
Hona le something mo chela di jwala ka moka ga khabetse no bo oh juice no bo and then you know what happened ka bua le yana straight ka mtse ka re ha ke batla o jwala ke tlo apartment ngele a dumela a shatwa ke life a fedila o tile ka motlela bohloko ke ntato bana baka
Ke tlo sharp.
mmemao motlela bohloko ka rotsa keng o tlo tshewa ke batho ke batlo tshewa ke batho ke batle happy next batla tshewa ke batho ka re tla tloho o dule flateng eo nna tla dula le bana wena tloho o dule flateng ene ke re nna ke tlo tlharakana go yona ka etsa ho lona le ntate hle hona le ntate tlamelo o no le khutle ska lakana re ko 10k
1.5 million likes. Happy.
o tlo happy o ko tlo gere
I'll swap it.
a o so happy le dia ha ke bona card e re swipe mamang ka ha ke fitla mo ka kopa card ya ka
4 a.m.
ka 4 a ke no le na nako ngwana me nna ka ngola dintho fatshe ha qeta bua mo ke tlo le bontsha
Ke shoba swipe di khohlopo.
nna ke qeta mo di khotlapo ne di le teng
Mara at least mo tshwarele nna sebedisa khohlopo hle.
Ma.
Ibale.
o isebedisitse jwang hona le mo nkileng ka thola infection
Kwalamlomu. Cut.
hona tse ke le negative
Cut.
phamka tax o ya tsobeleyo
Cut.
re go botsa
Ba o buka go gae ha re bua ka booking.
re go botsa hona le mo ke reng o dutse
Cut.
ha o ntso ingwaya
Cut.
e be tse re ntse
Ha re bua booking mo. Booking. Ra book.
ke kopa le ngola di results e seng di results ke ntho kontsha di number
ba jwetse hore ba yetse happy
nkile ka kopa le ngola di number tsa ka tsa di booking
lapeng tsa bona hore
le jetse everyone in your what to book me hanto dutse ntso Inseng wale. Ila baka
Ke bibele ngwayang re bua ka booking right now.
Wa bapala.
No, bibele ngwaya fine. Ha re move on. We are moving.
So that is why ke hanto wetsa le rata on social media. O batla ngwana hao kapa whoever mmatla. Hazanke wa khona ho ba ntate. O ntso na le access o dula le bona ka tlung. O ntso na le access o dula le bona ka tlung. One day ke dutse bethe a dutse le ena ke tsuwa ke sopolane ke etsang a ntsang komanya ne le nna ke momanya beke re lwana ke sa opolane re lwanelang a ke sa opolane re lwanelang a re ho nna yazi umuntu a le tsebe kotso yeo lona a le tsebe phamkate yeo a hona yazi umuntu ubusy ugijimisana ke batla bua ka mkhabile yazi umuntu busy la ulobolane nawe kana ko u phone u tshwere phone ya iPhone e ke e rekileng
le malobolo a hao
u pakama are yazi umuntu busy ulobolana nawe la maqeda lapho wena uzomzalela ichwala
tuna
nyama ka bana ba hae
tlo shapa
ho bontshala hore motho ona ha ya sekolong ha tsebe hore di ntho x what di tswa ko kae hore bo thole ngwana le monsadi ke ngwana ma
tsama le topa
a re motho kana ko boys petlele ne re santse re dula Bryanston Center a re ke tsebe ko kene kang ko pateletse mahadi tlamele be ke tseditse
ke tlo shapa tumi
mnyama a re ke tseditse a re tlamele be ke nkile shelter ka etsetsa mme wa ka Tomstone
shelter mang ya hao
ana sebetsa kae
tuna
ke shelter na ithotse Moja Love ene ne se Moja Love ne ke ba kene ha no se nna ne ke ba kene Moja Love nyeo
tuna
na ba nlo betsa shelter Moja Love
okay
ya ma
okay bye goodbye thank you bye is the end
kube ngithathe leyo mali
it's the end it's a goodbye
Okay.
kwala mlomo
Are kube
it's a makube it's a bye